Let's take a look at the Agents Association Contract Software Toolbox. Set the spanner and we'll add a new user. So let's say we've got a couple of people in the office, one called Martin, one called Alex. We click on new, log on name Alex, and here title Mr, first name Alex, salutation Alex. In actual fact his first name is of course Alexander, salutation Alex, position Booker, and he's got supervisory, backup and accounts priority, and we select save, and we've now got a user called Alex who can log on to the system. He'll have to enter a new password and validate a password, and then he's got his own passwords to get into the system. The system will actually store who logs in and when in the logins history, so you can see who's been in the system and the time they logged in, and you can set the column so you can see time they logged out as well. You will see how to edit and save layouts later on in the demo DVD. Now we have options. We've got the default return intervals for contracts. Contracts when they're sent out are in black, and then when they're returned they go to green, meaning go. If you look on the help in the help system, you will find the contract colours. 14 days is when they'll turn to red, meaning action needs to be taken to get them back in. We've got factory defaults, so let's say we go for print. Pessimistic lock-in can be left as is. The diary, we've got show 6 months view. I'll just OK this for a second and show you what that is. That's in the act or the venue, and once we get in there into the diary, that means this is the default view. If I change that on the toolbox to that, OK it, and open an act and go to the diary, that's the view you get as default. You can change the view though by clicking on the T button. That toggles you. T is for toggle, and you can toggle through. You can see a 1 month view, 12 month view, 6 month view. You can move forward a month at a time, forward 6 months at a time, or if you're in the 12 month view, that will move you 12 months. Back to the 6 month view, we can just change. We can say we want 2006 and we want the first month to be August. Back to the toolbox again, into the options, so we'll go back to the 6 month view. The default payment type normally for us is pick up, and the PA is normally provided by the Act. Change agreement made and must book completion. When you put a booking on the system, it stores the date the booking was put on and who put the booking on. You do have the option to change the agreement name and the agreement date, because the booking might be entered by someone but it was agreed by somebody else. You also have the option that if you put in a must book booking on, which is you're booking a venue in without an act until such time you'll fulfill an act into that agreement, and then the agreement made date will be changed the date you put the act on, and that's what that option lets you do. The booking types, we've got full booking, must book or provisional. If it's normally full booking, we save it to that. And the payment type, if we normally work commission, that's fine. Maintenance, we've got the contract maintenance, allow multiple block booking linking. That's if we want to do block bookings with lunches and nights. The link to the same main reference number but a lower down sub-reference number. This is our Agent Association membership number, and if we want to use our addresses for the Act, we tick that, and if we want to use our emergency phone number on the contracts for the Act, we tick that. We can also change here to database maintenance, and this allows us a backup path, say to a data key we've got, and we've created a folder on it called AAC backup, and anytime we click that with the data key in, it will back up the database to the data key on E: and into that folder. Agency details, this is where we put our agency name, address, VAT number, phone number, emergency numbers and everything else. And once this is completed, this is the toolbox set up on the Agents Association contract system.